So yeah, anyways, as you can see, I'm bald headed right now, and not really, because I mean I have luscious locks right here, but I'm trying to see if I can play around this hairstyle that I was watching on YouTube to do on my actual self. But you know, like I don't really want to test it out yet on me, so I'm gonna test it out on me here virtually. So let's get started. It should be fairly easy, one would think. But you know, I didn't really plan this, so huh. Alright, well, here's hoping. So we got a cone on my head. Hi, welcome back to my channel. I honestly did not do the intro because I didn't really think that I was going to do a video today. So, yes. Why is it like this? I hate, this is the one thing I do not like. Why is there so many? And I'm afraid to delete it because, like, what happens if I, like, delete it from here? Does it delete all the other ones? Like, who's testing it? Not me. But, like, seriously, why is there so many? I didn't even touch anything. If I make a whole new character, does this come up like that? I don't think so. Is it because, oh, yes. Okay, I answered my own question. So that usually happens when you've tried on different hair assets on your character, which I think is so silly that it does that. I'm trying to be nice about that one. So right now I'm just moving around the mesh. I should probably make it a little longer. Boop. So there's a little more points to use. Okay, well, so I'm gonna try to make a simple hairstyle look great. Okay, so what is gonna be are gonna be these jumbo pom-pom puff thingy bobs that's gonna come down the side of my face. Hence why I have this mesh looking like these. Yeah, baby. Okay, so I don't really care about the back, just more so the front. We want that to, you know, just do something. And then it's going to go into like a braid, so I don't know where to put these ones. I got no idea how you are going to be placed. Anyways, so what is going to happen is I'm going to just go on a whim. I have no idea how this is supposed to look. How did I do pom-pom braids in the first place? I actually don't remember. We're just gonna draw one. Like, I'm so lost that I don't even know where to start. I haven't done this in ages. Love that it responded. Yep. It did the thing. Did the thing alright. Still waiting for it to load. I don't know why my computer's so slow today. Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, I see that you're not responding. I get that. You know, we all want to clock out early sometimes. It's a rainy day outside. We're tired. You know, come on. You figured it out? Okay, well, we got one. Okay, so I had to remove all the hair materials because I feel like that was just slowing the process down. It kept freezing the system. That's one thing I don't like about the new release version. It's still considered to be new to me. Of Vroid, that feature where it just saves all the hair strand like textures from every single hair asset you've tried on, that's kind of annoying. Like, can we, I understand that you want to make it easy access, but then all it's doing is just creating this long list, as you saw earlier, and it was just slowing everything down. So now I should be able to draw without it like freezing every 5 seconds. Yeah. See, now I can actually draw without it doing whatever the heck it was trying to do earlier. Okay, so the theme for this hairstyle is like these pom-poms. I'm like I said before, I'm legit considering doing this on my actual head. It just looks so cute on the person that I'm thinking of.
Oh my god, this would be such a cute style. Like if I had my hair in like a high ponytail and then I had like two of these puffy things on either side, like right here and another one right here. And then with the end of the ponytail I do like a big jumbo puffiness too. bubble braid.
It was a vibe and I love it. So I'm trying to see how it looks on my character, which so far I feel like it's going to be a vibe once again. So okay, so we might have to add another, but we're going to start off with what we have now. I'm going to just shift things around, and yeah, that hair problem thingy that I was having is definitely because of the amount of textures that was loaded in one screen. Okay, so what is going to happen? I'm going to have these try to match each other in the sense of having it look somewhat remotely even. And then we have to draw in some actual hair on my character's head so I don't look bald-headed. Okay, so if I have 2 here, we need 2 on the other side here. Relatively around the same spacing. And then in between, they're going to be connected by like a hair elastic. So I'm not sure how I'm going to do that one. Obviously, it's going to be another drawing of that. So I'm going to come back to you when I have them all organized, so that way you're not sitting through this boring phase of the hairstyle. All right, so layer number 1 is completed. So in between each of these little puffs or beads that you're kind of looking at, I'm going to put an elastic. So we're going to add a new texture. I'm going to duplicate this material, but my new one, I'm going to manipulate the texture. All right, so I'm trying out this. I made these kind of elastics. I used an old hair texture because it wasn't letting me draw. So, you know, minor setbacks. No, minor setbacks. You know those days where you're not supposed to do anything clearly because every single time you try to do something, something bad happens or it's not working. Yeah, like that. That's how I'm feeling right now. Like, what is going on? Okay, cool, great. Yeah, okay. It's massive. Or not trying to be that thick. But we're just gonna roll with it for now. I kept it on the same mesh because ain't nobody got time to be playing around with a new mesh and trying to make it line up with this one. So yeah, we're not doing all that. And I might not make them super long right now just because I'm not sure where I want the end game of this to be. And then they also do this like weird inner looping. But so far, that's the vibe. That's the vibe. We're just gonna fix it up. So I'm gonna come back to you again when that's fixed up. Because, you know, movie magic and all, so we gotta. Right, so I did the front. It looks like this. I'm going to do the back now. It just decided to add on this, that. And we're gonna delete it again. And I'm gonna do one big ponytail, maybe 2. I'm thinking of just one right now, of this same style, but like thicker and bigger, more voluptuous in the back. We'll see how that looks. So right now I'm just gonna do one right down smack dab in the middle. I'm just gonna change the parameters and the curve pattern once more to kind of fit my workflow. So we have one big one, another big one, another one. Kind of want to add 2. It's either I add 1 or 3. Like if I had 2 more, like 1 coming out here, 1 coming out there. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna add 3 total. 3 large pom-pom thingy, whatever. And then we're gonna do the little bands in between. So then I change the parameter. There's like definitely things I should be doing that's not this. But because I actually had the house to myself, I was like, why not record something? But because it wasn't planned, I'm like, I don't know what to record. If this seems super unorganized, that's probably why. Now I'm just gonna morph and play around with these, and I'll come back to you when I actually finish that. So I'll be back. Okay, so I finished the main look of the hair. I just need to actually change up this layer, bottom layer. Don't excuse this. That that was years ago. I just never changed the bottom of this. So let's get to it. Let's stop talking about that. Can you do something from the bottom here? Oh no, you can't. Oh my god, I didn't know you can actually draw it from here. That's kind of nifty. Can I actually draw this time? Okay, yes, I can. We're going to shoot. I don't know how to do this from here. I never thought of doing that. This is news to me. Wait, let me move myself slightly. Yeah, okay, works for you. Great, got it. I'm gonna erase this whole thing and then see what we can do from that. Okay, so our hair color is mainly black with a tiny tinge of a purple. Wow, colors. Hello. Mirror on the wall. Bro, I don't know. I'm lost. I am so lost right now. We kind of want to. Okay, sometimes it scares the shit out of me when you don't know who's inside the building. Okay, so we have a line like that. Because I'm going to do some parting here. Nice and thin. How would your hair look like when it feels parted? A little triangle, and then there's gonna be like a line that goes like this, but like thinner. Yeah, okay, cool. Looks like a weird smiley face. That's what I'm getting. Smiley face. Got it. Alright, we're getting somewhere. And then I'm just gonna go really close and then add in some fun little details, I guess, because what else can I do other than like little swirlies and adding some hair here? Because I mean, we're not normally bald back here, but like there is some balding spots around closer to your ear, but we have like little hairs. So we're gonna, it usually goes in more around up into here. At least I do have some hairs here. Okay, now like little swirly. Ooh, girl, this looks weird. You looking a hot mess, but no one. We're gonna fix that somehow.
Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god! What is that?
We'll add in other hair colors and stuff just so it's not as weird. Okay, as for this front part here though. And then we gotta make these baby hairs blend in. Still looks weird. To me at least. For now. Don't worry, we got this. We're pros. We're gonna add in these lovely baby hairs and then add it into my actual hairs here. You know, just make it all blend. I'm just gonna mapping out the baby hairs that I originally drew in my first few times doing baby hairs. I haven't done baby hairs in ages, so bear with me. Alright, and then for the parting lines, because much as your hair is going to be fairly neat, you're still going to see some lines in between of the hair. So let's make it look a bit more realistic. Why do I keep changing the direction of my pen? I don't know. Ooh, girl, looking like a ninja. With the purple in there, the highlighting of that. Yes. Yes, that's a look right there. Alright, so this is what the scalp is looking like, the hairline. Looking like a hot mess, yep. Looks like a hot mess over there. No, but really, like, this is a look. I mean, like, this is my hair right now, and this is what I'm thinking of doing with my hair. What do you think? What do you think? Leave a comment down below and tell me what you actually think of this hairstyle. I'm actually thinking of doing something like this in real life. If I actually do, I might share a picture on my Instagram of my hair looking like this. Obviously, I'm not going to have the purple highlights because, I mean, they're a little bit harder to achieve in this kind of manner and fashion, but it looks so good. I actually really like this. This is super cute. It's a great hairstyle. Thanks, me. Thanks, me. You did a great job. I approve. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one. Yeah, this was totally unplanned. I might have another one for you later on, so stay tuned for another video. Take care, everyone. Bye.